Hi guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to fix music problem or offline music problem in OPPO. So before proceeding, please share, like and subscribe so that you will never miss any update. So now I'm going to show you how to fix the offline music problem. So first we have to on the setting. So you can simply search it here or scroll down here. So we will on the app management, here app management, click it here, and then we will search the music app. Sometimes the music app didn't show it, like here in my phone it didn't show, so we have to click here show system process. So we have to show system process, click it, then it will right here hide system process, so we have to show it. So after that we will search it, scroll down. Now we see here it's a music, so we will have to click here the music, and then after that we have to click here force stop. You have to stop the force, then storage usage, then you have to clear the data. We have to clear the data here, clear the data, and after that we will click here the permission, and then we have to give the permission. So we have to on the storage phone or and microphone, the permission we have to on it. Then after that the music, the offline music problem is working now properly. So this is it guys of how to fix the offline music problem in OPPO. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like it.